So color properties. Color properties. So the color properties are due to generally, you know that in the previous class we discussed the color properties in the D to D transition. The main reason to the color properties is D to D orbital transition. The reason to colors, reason to show colors D to D transition, D to D electron transition, electron transition, electron transition. Okay, now the main reason to show colors is D to D electron transition. So here if you see, generally D0 comma D10 configurations are colorless, colorless. D12 D9 are colored. Okay, na? D1 to D9 configurations are colored. So here in octahedral complexes, octahedral complexes, if you see, the splitting is observed. The splitting we can observe, that is in octahedral complexes, in octahedral OH complexes. Okay, example, titanium hexaaqua complex, which have D1 configuration. Titanium is plus 3. Okay, now titanium is plus 3 in this complex. Titanium plus 3. The configuration is D1 configuration. Okay, now titanium is D2S2 configuration. So it is in the plus 3 state. It lost 3 electrons, and we'll get to D1 configuration. So in the crystal, this is octahedral complex. In octahedral complex, so the 5d orbitals split into two sets. 5d orbitals split into two sets. Okay, this is a T2g set and this is a EG set. So one of the electron here, one electron is present for the D1 configuration. One electron is present. So which can be absorb a particular amount of energy. So absorb energy, that is in the visible region, that is yellow green region. Yellow green. It can be absorb yellow green light. And this electron goes to upper excited state. Excited state. When the electron come back to lower level, it emits energy. The emitted energy is equal to red-violet region. Red-violet. So it is appear as a color. So the color of the titanium plus 3 is this is the color appear. So if a complex having D1 to D9 configurations, when it absorb a particular amount of energy in visible region, especially in the visible region, then the electrons present in T2g set goes to upper excited state. Then upper excited state electron, when come back to lower levels, some energy emitted, that energy emitted also, if visible region, the emitted energy is appear as a color. In visible region. Okay, now the emitted energy must be the emitted energy must be visible region. Then only they shows colors, otherwise not shows colors. So they shows complementary, the absorption energy and emitted energy and complementary to each other. So if any substance absorb yellow green energy, the color emitted is red violet. If any substance absorb red violet, the emitted color is yellow green. So complementary colors I am writing here. So here titanium plus 3 actual color is what? Red violet color. This is a red violet, or generally reddish violet or violet color we can consider. Okay na? Violet color. The color of the our complex is it's a mixed actually. The consider violet color. Okay, the violet color is because it can be absorb energy in yellow green region and emitted energy is red violet. So the complementary colors. Complementary colors mean so color of the absorption light and emitted light. Absorption and emitted light. If violet color absorbed, if a substance absorb violet color, shows yellow green color, it appear as yellow green. And if it is blue color, then absorption energy is blue color, appear as yellow color. It is yellow color. And if it is green blue color, it can be absorbed, it can be shows color red color. And if it is absorbed green color observe, it can be shows the color purple color. Can be shows purple color. That mean these are the complementary colors. Mean if a substance absorb, this is absorption light, this is emitted light. The emitted light we can see in the form of color. The emitted light only we can see in the form of color. So if a substance absorb violet region, violet color absorb yellow color, and yellow green it can be appear. If it is absorb yellow green, it can be appear violet. So reverse we can take. That means if absorption is yellow green, the appear energy violet color. Okay na? And if it is absorb yellow color, and it can be appear blue color. And if it is absorb red color, it can be appear green blue color. And if it is absorb purple color, it can be shows green color. So these are the complementary colors. Okay na? Complementary colors we can remember up to this. Okay, violet absorb, it can be emits. This is the color, emitted energy only, color of the real complex, okay. So the main reason to the shows the colors is because of D to D electron transition. The emitted energy should be in the visible region. These are the main colors of the complexes.